Hi there, I'm Durita. I work for the Faroese Tourist Board, and this is my first Streetview 360 film. I will try to help Google make Street View in the Faroe Islands with my sheep. Welcome to Streetview 360. Most of the time my sheep just like to walk around and eat, and every minute I take a picture that I can upload to Street View. It works pretty good and the sheep doesn't really notice it. However, I have two problems that need to be solved. This is my first problem. And there goes my first camera. Second is, I need to find out how to get my camera back. I tried with a rope, you can see it if you look backwards, but in the long run, that's probably not a perfect solution. I have uploaded the first pictures to Google Street View, and you can find them on the map. Next week, I will find out how to get my camera back.